So hello guys, so today I'm playing catalog avatar creator with my sister and her friend, and I changed my avatar and I saved it, of course. Look guys, I have a lot of avatars that made. Oh my god. Guys, what is happening? Okay. No. Okay, I'm just gonna do that. Guys, I do not know what is happening. So this is her friend, and that is my sister. Obviously. Let's do that. Yay! I love my avatar. Look at the avatar that I made. I'm just a normal one. Flex walk, guys. Flex walk. Wait lang muna. Okay. Okay. Wait. Wait for me to. So guys, gagawa tayo ng videos. Okay. So wait. So gagawin na natin. At ito yung emote na gagawin natin. Hindi ko alam ba't ito yung emote na gusto ko. Ito yung avatar. Okay guys, bye muna kasi gagawa ko ng video of this.